When cleaning a roof, safety should always be the top priority. While some may take shortcuts by climbing onto roofs or using ladders, this approach can be dangerous and harmful to the roof itself. In this blog, we'll explore why professional roof cleaning services opt for the safer alternatives such as mobile scaffold towers or cherry pickers, emphasising the risks of walking on roofs and how this practice can lead to injuries and damage. The dangers of walking on roofs. Walking on a roof may seem straightforward, but it possesses significant risks. Here are some compelling reasons to avoid this dangerous practice. Personal injury. Roof surfaces can be uneven and slippery, making it easy to lose balance and fall. Falling from a relatively low roof can result in severe injuries or even fatalities. Roof damage. The weight and pressure exerted by a person walking on a roof can cause structural damage. Roof tiles can crack or break under the stress. Liability issues. Property owners can be held liable for the injuries anyone on their premises has sustained. You can face legal consequences if someone is injured while walking on your roof. Mobile scaffolding towers, a safe and stable alternative. Professional roof cleaning services prefer mobile scaffolding towers for these following reasons. Stability. Mobile scaffolding towers provide a stable platform for workers to access the roof safely. They have guardrails and secure footing, reducing the risks of accidents. Even weight distribution. Unlike a person's weight concentrated on their feet, scaffolding towers distribute weight evenly, minimising the risks of roof damage. Height adjustment. Scaffolding towers can adjust to the required height, ensuring that workers can reach all roof areas without overreaching or compromising their safety. Fall protection. Most scaffolding towers have safety features such as guardrails, further enhancing worker safety. Cherry pickers. Versatile and safe roof access. Cherry pickers or aerial work platforms offer flexible and secure roof access. Here's why they are a preferred choice. Controlled elevation. Cherry pickers allow workers to reach different roof sections while maintaining control over the elevation, reducing the risk of accidents. Stability. These platforms are designed to be stable and secure, even at significant heights, ensuring the safety of workers. Reach and manoeuvrability. Cherry pickers come with various attachments and extensions, allowing workers to access challenging roof areas without compromising safety. Efficiency. Cherry pickers are time efficient as workers can move quickly from one spot to another, completing the job faster than if they had to climb up and down a ladder repeatedly. The risks of using ladders. Some individuals or amateur roof cleaners may use ladders to access roofs. However, this practice is fraught with risks. Unstable support. Ladders can shift or slip, especially on uneven ground, leading to falls and injuries. Limited reach. Ladders have a limited reach and may require repositioning multiple times, increasing the risk of accidents. No fall protection. Unlike scaffolding towers and cherry pickers, ladders lack essential safety features such as guardrails. Roof damage and the hidden consequences. Walking on a roof, especially without proper training, can cause significant damage. Tile damage. The weight of a person can cause roof tiles to crack, break or dislodge, leading to costly repairs. Leaks and water damage. Damaged roofing materials can lead to leaks, water infiltration and structural damage, which may go unnoticed until it becomes a significant issue. Voided warranties. Many roofing warranties become void if unauthorised individuals walk on the roof, leaving the property owners to foot the bill for repairs. In conclusion, walking on roofs for cleaning is dangerous and can result in extensive roof damage and legal liabilities for property owners. Professional roof cleaning services prioritise safety and employ alternative methods such as mobile scaffolding towers and cherry pickers to ensure worker and roof integrity. By choosing these safer options and hiring a company such as Red Clean, property owners can protect their investments, avoid potential legal issues, and maintain the longevity of their roofs. Remember, when it comes to roof cleaning, safety should always come first.